curse of a reformed liar. The curse of a reformed liar is that the ones that love him rarely believe the reformation when the reformed is being truthful. In the name of being honest, he's made sure they knew the former reputation. Every disappointment, letdown, and failure, even a promise yet to be fulfilled, rapidly perceived to be a lie. The irony is that the reformed, to counter the reputation, to ensure minimal damage should he be found out, has resorted to a pattern of extreme honesty. Honesty about past and current events. Disclosure of tales from the past create an atmosphere of distrust, most paranoia in the loved ones. Words scrutinized, the reformed always suspect. The honesty causes the problem in the first place, sealing the inevitable fate. He becomes the liar he no longer wants to be. Word, Copyright 2000 for J. N. Varnell. All rights reserved. All wrongs revenged.